Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2017 Chevy Equinox. It's located right in behind the glove box on the passenger side, and we're going to open it up. I'm just doing this with one hand right now, so bear with me. Just on the bottom there's some tabs, so you're just going to push up. And the box will come out. So you're just releasing it from these tabs here, and I'll show you just on the bottom of it. Just got those hooks on the bottom there. That's what you're pushing up to release. And when you go inside, there's these tabs right here. You're going to push up on them, and your filter's right in there. This one's fairly new, so I'm not actually replacing it. I'm just showing you how to get to it. And you just get a little piece here, pull it out, and there's a couple things in there. So all I do if it's a little dirty like that is I just tap it on the ground or on the side of the vehicle, just shake out that extra dust. And you can take the vacuum to it if you'd like. And then when you're done, just remember where it was positioned. And we're just going to go put it back in. Open up your flap. And I apologize for the one-handedness here. Once you have both your hands going at this, it's a little easier. This one's just very flimsy. There, once it's in, click it back into place, and you set your box back on. So those hooks I showed you, you're just going to put them back on, just like that. Make sure everything's all good. Opens and closes the way it should, and you're all good to go. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.